Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney. Today we're going to talk about the 5 different factors not used to calculate child support amounts in Texas. To calculate child support amounts, courts look at the net resources of the party ordered to pay. They're also known as the obligor. Net resources is determined by adding all of the obligor sources of income and deducting certain items like taxes, union dues, and health insurance for the child or children. What do courts consider as income, and what types of sources factor into net resources? Here are 5 factors courts will not use to calculate the child support amount. Number 1, accounts receivable. Accounts receivable is money owed by a debtor. So if the obligor is owed money by someone but has not received it yet, that does not factor into their income. Number 2, foster care payments. Foster care payments are payments for the care of the child in the foster care system. Number 3, return of capital or principal. Return of capital or principal is when an investor receives a portion of their original investment back. It is not used to calculate child support amounts, however, capital gains are. Number 4, spouse's income. The other spouse's income is not used to calculate child support amounts. Number 5, welfare benefits. Money received from federal public assistance programs are not used to calculate child support amounts.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.